Real estate contingencies are conditions that must be met for a real estate contract to be binding and enforceable. These contingencies provide protection for both buyers and sellers, allowing them to back out of the deal without facing penalties if certain conditions are not met. Here are some common real estate contingencies you may find in a contract. Financing contingency. This is the most common contingency and allows the buyer a specified period of time to secure a loan. If the buyer is unable to obtain financing within that time frame, they can back out of the contract without losing their earnest money deposit. Appraisal contingency. The appraisal contingency stipulates that the property must be appraised for at least the purchase price. If the property appraises for less than the agreed upon price, the buyer can renegotiate the price or terminate the contract without penalty. Home inspection contingency. This contingency allows the buyer to have a professional home inspection conducted on the property. If significant issues are uncovered that the buyer is unwilling to accept or negotiate, then they can walk away from the deal. Sale of an existing home. In cases where a buyer needs to sell their current home to finance the purchase of a new one, this contingency allows them a specified period of time to sell their home. If they fail to sell their home within that time frame, they can cancel the contract. Title contingency. The title contingency ensures that the property has a clear title with no liens, encumbrances, or legal issues that could affect ownership. Homeowners Association contingency. If the property is part of a homeowners association, this contingency allows the buyer to review and accept the HOA rules and financial documents before proceeding with the purchase. Attorney review contingency. This contingency allows the buyer to have their attorney review the contract and associated documents before finalizing the deal. Keep in mind that real estate contracts can be customized, so the specific contingencies and their terms may vary on the negotiation between the buyer and the seller. It's essential to work with a qualified real estate agent or attorney to understand and navigate these contingencies properly. Have any questions? Well, DM me here anytime.